In today's video, I'll teach you the way that you can follow creators on Podimo. If this is something that you're trying to learn, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. Let's head over to the app of Podimo. Now, if you open up any podcast and if you scroll through the description, you're going to see the name of the author, who is also the creator. If you tap on the author's name, you're going to see all of the podcasts that they published. Now, there's no direct option of following the particular creator. Instead, what you need to do is follow the audiobook or the podcast that they released. So I've just clicked on this particular author and I can just follow in the podcast that this creator has created. So I can just tap on the follow button, which is this plus icon, and I'll immediately follow the particular podcast that they've created. So that is the only thing that you can do inside of Podimo, and there's no real option of following creators. Instead, you need to follow podcasts or audiobooks that they've created. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.